Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ewe ngani zakwethu ninjani? Ngiyathemba niyaphile. Bafethu kuningi kuyamangaza bafethu. Kuningi nje kuyamangaza bafethu. Engenamanje inkantolo isikhiphe isinqumo sokuthi akuboshwe uNgizwe Mchunu. So ithi uNgizwe Mchunu akaboshwe noma uyohlala noma u10 days ebhadle ejele. Lokhu kuhambisana nokuthi wadelela bafethu uJulius Malema. So bafethu kuningi ke ukuphawula kwabantu fethu lana bayakhala abantu bathi uJulius Malema kade kwasedelela abantu day in day out but akekho noma ayikho inkantolo yakambopha kade uJulius Malema eyiswa babunqamalalo babuJacob Zuma eyiswa abantu abaserious including isilwe samabandla kade uJulius Malema ebanyathela labo bantu abantu nasenkantolo naseParliament njalo njalo eParliament njalo njalo. So akakazo yena wafaka kumthetho bafethu kuningi bafethu okushiwo abantu. So angazi noma bafethu nizothini namalalo daba lokuthi kumele eboshwe uNgizwe Mchunu. Bafethu nithini? Bekani imbonweni bafethu. Kuningi vele bafethu ngazi ukuthi abanye abantu basafisa ukuphawula ngalolu daba olukhishwe inkantolo ukuthi uNgizwe Mchunu kumele yohlala nje kancane noma u10 days, okuyinto vele ezomjabulisa vele ubaba uJulius Malema since vele nawe wayeshilo ukuthi ufuna ukumfundisa abantu uNgizwe Mchunu engahambi nje ehambe egcwaneka. Ngizokhumbula bafethu ukuthi eyinsukwini uNgizwe Mchunu ugcine sekwazile ukuxolisa wahoxisa amazwi lawa ayishiwo ayiwashilo kuJulius Malema, but still inkantolo ke noma still ukuphusha kwabo Malema lolu daba igcina sikwazile inkantolo ukuthi ayithi nje kumtitinya ngoswazi omncane umacingwane. So bafethu nithi comment section zobe ngilindile.
Ngiyalibuka Dade President, ngiyalibuka kakhulu ngungizwe umlando wasemachunwini abasutoriya Dumela Amata ngiyalibuka kakhulu Basuthu. Njengoba ngilapha nje njengomongameli wamabhinqa ngibizwe ngabafowethu uDolara lapha nomfowethu kaTalax nomongameli wenu la kule ndawo esikuyona nabaholi bonke kade sikhona nabo la bonke bashilo, all the leadership was here ukusho ukuthi sekunabantu abaqamba amanga ukuthi njengoba simasha iNingizimu Afrika yonke sibhizi sibhikishela ukuthi abantu abangekho emthethweni kulelizwe abazothatha imisebenzi yethu labo bantu labo abahambe kunjalo sithi abahambe bonke, kodwa siqinisekisile ukuthi inhlanga zaseNingizimu Afrika nabantu abama-South African citizen bona sinabo. Kuqanjwa amanga-ke kwathiwa thina sithi umuntu nje okhuluma isisuthu uzoba yi-target njengoba kubheke komhla ka-30 amanga lawo. Kusukela-ke kwaqala inkululeko yalelizwe siyazi-ke ukuthi izwe likhululeka nzima, kodwa i-national anthem okuyiculo lesizwe laseNingizimu Afrika lunolimu lwesisuthu. Murena boruge usiburuge sichabasa Yesu sichabasa South Africa usuthariye ngaphela lokho ngikhanza kwethu ngithi ngiyanthanda nami ngiyafisa ukusifunda isisuthu, kodwa ngicela intombi yabesuthu ngiyithole khona lapha. Karibuwa garata sibekala wasisuthu indlamato omsuthu nami ngikhuluma isisuthu nganza kwethu ngenza kwethu sithi siyinto eyodwa eSouth Africa yasibumbane bonke abantu bala eSoweto sikhulumile nabafowethu onhlanhla ukuthi imndeni eyalimala nabantu abakhuthuzwe abantu abakhuluma ulimi lwesiZulu njengomholi oqhamuka kwaZulu okuyistructure seNgonyama njengomongameli uMabhinqa ngikhonjwa iNgonyama umisuZulu kaZwelithini ngithi kini nganza kwethu uma sengifica inkinga kuyidalwa abakithi ngafica icala kuyidalwa abakithi liyafana necala lomfuyi ofuye izinkomo kuthiwe sezidle ekhokha ndoda inkomo sezidla amasimo. And I'm here to say that noma ngabe yini eyenzekile yenziwa umuntu ethi nisela hambani yabona esho abantu bala eSoweto esho abantu bala eFree State ngithi lowo muntu loyo I apologize on behalf of all the Zulu people speaking people. Ngiyaxolisela kakhulu bese ngicela futhi ukuthi basuthu bakithi asibe yodwa simashe sibaxosha amakwelekwela ahamba wonke phansi amakwelekwela phansi into eyenzakalayo ukuthi ibalulekile ukuthi sihloniphane ekuthekile umthetho waseNingizimu Afrika siwuhloniphe senze isiqiniseko sokuthi sonke siyahlonipha ukuze yonke into esiyenzayo ibe peaceful nezwa mafowethu. So sonke sokwazi ukuthola umsebenzi sisebenze sonke siphile kangcono hayi ukuphila kangcono abantu abathi basiphethe. I'm here to respect and honor your contribution to the nation, the power of AbaSotho people, the discipline engiyibonile ehlonipha umongameli wenu ehlonipha abaholi ekushaya impempe kanye naqhamuka nangama-1,000 abangaka is the same discipline that we command as a Zulu nation. Carry on with that discipline. Make sure that you don't lose the ball and you don't lose your eye on the ball. And thina kwaZulu uZulu nwazi nje obuje we got a chief Mulefe lapha eLkujaneni. There is a Sotho chief in KZN. We respect the Sotho chief and they speak Sotho, they practice culture of the Sotho in our province of KwaZulu-Natal. That shows how important unity is. And King Mushweshwe and King Shaka was one people, they help each other.
Yes, at this point, I'm asking myself, for when are we going to rest, guys? Because a lot have been happening. We have just received news that Ungizo Mkhono has been arrested. Yes, has been arrested and is going to spend 10 days in jail, which is just something else. And if there is one thing that we have to learn from this whole situation of Ungizo Mkhono is that watch your words. Watch your words, man. Don't just say things, especially on camera. Ungizo Mkhono has been boasting, saying no, but he will not apologize to Julius Malema. And here he is today. Here he is today paying the price. And those people that are applauding him, those people that are cheering him up, where are they now? And there's nothing that they can do. Unfortunately, no one is coming to save you. Just mind your words and make sure that what you say on camera is not something that might get you in trouble tomorrow, because he have been saying this, he have been boasting on social media. And guys, we all know that Julius Malema, he is a very smart man, okay? He does not talk a lot, and he knew that Ungizo Mkhono is going to pay, because we saw last time when he was being asked who is Ungizo Mkhono, and then said, who's that? Like, who is that? To show you what Ungizo Mkhono is just a small boy to Julius Malema. He's just a small boy. He should have known that. And the other thing again that really surprised me is that why is Ungizo Mkhono fighting so much with Julius Malema? Why are these people fighting against Julius Malema? Because he's not fighting against them. He is not fighting against them. And they always say these programs are not, they do not have a political interest in them. But why are they fighting uJulius Malema? That's my question. Why, guys? But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?